Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit and you're watching your favorite channel Corpbiz. Today in this video, the topic of our discussion will be building NOC. First of all, we will be telling you about what is a NOC, what is a building NOC, why it's necessary to acquire a building NOC, what is the whole registration procedure and what are the various documents that will be submitted when you are going for the registration of obtaining the building NOC. So let's begin the video. Building NOC. NOC stands for No Objection Certificate. This certificate works as a proof that the government authority or the organization has no objection, and it certifies that the applicant industry do not violate the term or the condition prescribed by the authority. So every building needs to obtain a NOC before commencing the construction, and it's mandatory for every building owner to obtain the NOC certificate before the construction of the building. Documents required for building NOC. So NOC certificate is must if you are going for the construction of building, but before that it's also important to collect all the documents that will be submitted if you are going to obtain the certificate for the same, and the documents are as follows. Document required for building NOC: 2 sets of building plan through building authority, consist of the site plan, building plan, layout plan, analysis report and form of supervision. The building plan must contain all information as prescribed by the laws. Checklist with filled in a questionnaire. Checklist certified by the architect. Building stability certificate. Copy of the Aadhaar card of the applicant. Photograph of the establishment building taken from outside. And electric wiring quantity and completion certificate from a recognized authority. So after the document process, now the time has come for the registration procedure for obtaining the building NOC. So first of all, the applicant need to visit the official website of municipal corporation of the concerned state. The applicant need to file an application form, submit all the crucial detail along with the requisite document, and some important certificate need to be submitted like the certificate of zonal clearance, land clearance, building plan, plan layout, a service and utility certificate, completion certificate and the certificate of occupancy. Once you have submitted all the document, all the requisite detail, then the process of verification arises. The authorized officer will verify your document that they are authentic or not. If everything goes well, the NOC will be approved from the authorized officer for the same. So this was enough in the topic building NOC. In future, if you are planning to get the building NOC, you can directly connect to Corpbiz, because Corpbiz has a dedicated team which will provide you everything regarding the legal proceeding and the document process, which will make your work easy and comfortable. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.